Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy yogurt at home. First, choose whole milk for the best texture. Heat the milk slowly to 180 degrees F or 82 degrees Celsius, stirring frequently to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. This crucial step denatures the milk proteins, which helps create a thicker, creamier yogurt. Don't rush this process. Patience is key for a smooth base. After heating, cool the milk down to 110 degrees F or 43 degrees Celsius. This temperature is ideal for the beneficial bacteria to thrive. Once cooled, add about 2 tablespoons of a good quality live yogurt culture for every quart of milk. Gently whisk it in until it's fully incorporated. Ensure the culture is fresh for the best fermentation results and a delicious, tangy flavor. Now it's time for incubation. Maintain a consistent temperature between 100 and 115 degrees F or 38 to 46 degrees Celsius. This warm environment allows the bacteria to work their magic. Incubate for 6 to 12 hours. Longer times yield a tangier, thicker yogurt. A yogurt maker or an insulated container in a warm spot works perfectly to keep the temperature stable. Once incubated, transfer your yogurt to the refrigerator and chill it for at least 4 hours. This step helps it set and develop its final creamy texture. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, strain it through a cheesecloth-lined colander for a few hours. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 10 days. Enjoy your fresh, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.